In the annals of feudal Japan's history, a series of powerful narratives echo through the corridors of time. Stories of honor, betrayal, and an unwavering quest for justice. These are the tales of the samurai rebellions, a period marked by tumult and transformation, where the warrior code of bushido clashed with authoritarian power. In the mountainous province of Kyushu, the winds of change stirred unrest among the once loyal samurai clans. Among them stood Takashi Yamada, a skilled swordsman whose lineage of servitude to the ruling shogunate was unblemished, but whose heart burned with the frustration of oppressive taxation and dwindling autonomy. Takashi, a man driven by a firm sense of justice and moral integrity, struggled between duty to his shogun and the growing despair of his people. Known for his keen strategic mind and unwavering dedication to the Bushido Code, he became the reluctant spearhead of a burgeoning rebellion. Close to him was Hiroko, a wise and perceptive elder of the clan, who served as his advisor and confidant. With her vast wisdom, she tempered Takashi's fiery resolve, guiding him through the ethical quagmire of rebellion. The tipping point came when the governor demanded excessive tributes from the already impoverished samurai. Takashi's clan could bear no more. The rice, their lifeblood, was being bled dry to fill the coffers of a distant power, a stark betrayal of the feudal bonds that were meant to bind lord and vassal. Unity in rebellion was never assured. Takashi faced resistance not only from the shogunate, but also from within, as some samurai remained fiercely loyal to the established order. Convincing the dissenters required more than eloquence. It required demonstration of leadership and shared suffering. Takashi shared his own ration of rice equally among his men and led by example, fortifying the spirit of comradeship that the shogunate's divisive tactics sought to unravel. As the rebellion ignited, Hiroko's strategies proved invaluable. She harnessed the landscape to their advantage, orchestrating surprise attacks against the shogunate's forces who underestimated the fervor and craft of the insurgents. The rebellion's fame spread across the region, drawing support from neighboring clans who too felt the shogunate's squeeze. Victory, however, came at a dear cost. Takashi understood the transitory nature of their triumph. Hiroko wisely reminded him that their cause was not merely to overthrow, but to rebuild a just and honorable society. Their story became a lesson for generations, a reminder of the eternal struggle between power and people, and the unyielding spirit required to tip the scales towards fairness and freedom. As the dust settled, feudal Japan had been indelibly changed. Takashi Yamada and his insurgents were remembered not just as rebels, but as reformers. The samurai rebellions stood as a testament to the power of conviction, unity, and action in the face of insurmountable odds. These tales from feudal Japan are more than history. They are a reflection of human courage and the tireless pursuit of justice, thriving in the heart of even the most turbulent times. The samurai, in their rebellion, forged paths to a future where honor lived on, even beyond the battlefield.